Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Melissa and I am a beauty YouTuber. I figured I'd create a cute little makeup look for New Year. 2019, we're gonna say goodbye to her. It's like welcome 2020 with open arms and legs. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I come up with, just keep on watching. I got the Jeffree Star mini controversy palette from one of my parents at the daycare. She got me this cute little palette and I was so excited to actually try it out. I'm going to create the look using only the eyeshadows from this palette. But of course, you can try to recreate this look using any eyeshadows that look similar to this. This is a cute little packaging. Mini controversy. This is with Shane Dawson. I love this holographic kind of like, ooh, I love this moment. When you open it, it comes with a good sized mirror. And these are the shades. So let's go through the shade colors because you know I live for the shade names. This one here is shade Flat Earth. This one was Cry on My Couch. Cry on My Couch. This one is My Boyfriend's Purse. That one's like a nice bronzy kind of moment. Kind of like a bronzy champagne, I guess you could say, like a mixture of the two. This one is called Controversy. This one here is called Diet Root Beer. Ooh, I hate root beer, but Diet Root Beer. This one here is called My Apology. I love this one. Then we have Exposed. Canceled. I like that one too. And The Simulation. able to film an outro because my phone died. However, this is the finished makeup look, and I do have to say that this palette right here, bomb. Now I can't wait to get into the rest of the eyeshadows because I only basically used 2 eyeshadows, and you know, I just wanted to make it look nice and match it really nicely. Jeffree Star, of course, knocked it out the box. A lot of people were getting like mixed reviews. I haven't watched any of the like demo or reviews for this makeup, but I did hear that this did not do so well, but I am in love with it and I hope you guys like it too. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you're notified when I actually have a new videos up. This year I will make it my priority to create more makeup and also more content. Thank you so much for such an amazing year. Let's move forward. Let's do good. Let's be prosperous this new year, and happy new year to you all. I love you. Bye.